Hello everyone, it's Corvette Dan. Welcome back to the channel. We are still at Carlisle. It is Saturday. It is day 3. I'm going to give you a view that you couldn't get any better without a helicopter or a tower. I'm going to give you an overview of most of the grounds from, let's call it somewhat of an aerial view. So let's check this out together. Corvettes as far as the eye can see. It's just, you thought FunFest was big. This is incredible. This is absolutely incredible. The view that I'm seeing from here. You've got to love this show. If you've never been to Corvettes of Carlisle, check out my videos and make sure you come here in the near future. It's every year in late August. As far as the eyes can see. And I mean it, as far as the eye can see. Corvettes. Something else. It really is. It really is something, a sight to be seen. And a hill it is. It's a hill with it. And we've come down off the hill. Stay tuned for all of my videos on Carlisle, Corvette Dan on YouTube, CorvetteDan.com. Check it out.